Hi Scorpions, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for April 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using this love oracle that I have here. Scorpions, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of March, stepping into April 2022, we have the Page of Wands here. This is a very creative and restless energy. Possibly, communication had also increased at this time, and communication had also brought in openings or gains for you. Basically, I think Scorpions, you were working very hard. You were also quite impatient because you wanted to accomplish a lot. Maybe you needed to be more accommodating of others. Perhaps at this time, Scorpions, you wanted more clarity with issues that were bothering you. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges that April is going to pose for you is the Page of Swords. This energy is asking you to be more forceful, but this is in the challenge position, so you should be careful of that. Sometimes you could be so aggressive that it could affect our relationship, especially with our father or family elders. Nevertheless, I think Scorpions, you are somebody who wants to go out of town on account of work or higher education. Maybe you believe that financial issues are putting roadblocks in your path, or your family elders aren't too keen about the same. They don't see eye to eye, though you're quite ambitious this month. Basically, you're somebody who wants to take the initiative. Influences for this month, we have the Hangman. This energy means that you may feel as though things are working anti you, but then you may also believe that you're sacrificing yourself. Your health could also be a factor here. So Scorpions, you should relax, take it easy. At times, we are weighed down by the responsibilities. We have to prioritize, but then this could affect us negatively as well. I think you have to also be very flexible in your approach. You have to prioritize. Like I said, you should not overlook the details in your quest to achieve your ends. Maybe your responsibilities are also increasing because colleagues aren't around you or staff is playing truant. I think the pressure of work could affect you internally as well as physically, so be mindful of that, Scorpions. The first 10 days of April, we have the Ace of Wands. This energy desires or it craves newness. You want to do something new. You have the energy, and you'll also get the support from your friends and acquaintances or trusted aides. But then, you also need to take everything with a grain of salt. I think Scorpions, while dealing with clients, you should ink those deals beforehand rather than feel as though you've been taken for a ride. This energy is also asking you to be up and about, because there could be travel plans or there could be some kind of movement here. Maybe you're also dealing with estranged people. They may inquire about you even if they don't speak to you. In case you're in the leadership position, I think you could have issues with a particular worker. Maybe the management or the higher authorities want to saddle this person with responsibilities, but your views could be overlooked or ignored. Nevertheless, I think in the first 10 days, Scorpions, compliments will come your way. You will also receive gifts, so welcome them with open arms. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th April, we have the Eight of Swords. Definitely this is the energy which is asking you to look closely, because all swords are encircling this lady here. She seems to be weighed down by things around her. You need to make concessions at work if you want to get ahead, that is. You're somebody who's quite pushy and you will want to get ahead. Again, communication is going to open doors for you. You're going to be appreciated because you're somebody who is very active in this time. You want to finish the task at great speed. However, Scorpions, you should also guard against scrutiny at the workplace. Maybe it is best to keep a low profile, to keep your cards close to your chest. In these days also, you could be socializing, you could be enjoying good food, but then this food could also play havoc with your digestive system. So be careful what you intake, Scorpions. Definitely aura cleansing could help you this month. The final days of April, we have the Seven of Swords here. You could be dealing with a person who is quite sneaky, who is quite wishy-washy. You need to be tactful and polite because this is a swords energy, so you could be coming across as someone who is quite abrasive. I think if you are diplomatic, then it will ensure harmony in your relationships. Sometimes, you may also feel that your good intentions are never acknowledged. Rather, your words are misinterpreted. This is why, Scorpions, this month you should be careful because there could be disagreements with friends and acquaintances. Maybe sometimes you're also socializing, but the reunions could turn out to be unhappy. Even if there are going to be calls for an interview, I think you don't like the scrutiny or you don't like being questioned about your past. Maybe you're also someone who is going to be worked up on account of malfunctioning gadgets. So you should be careful of that. Maybe there are delays on account of the same. Perhaps, Scorpions, this month it would be prudent or it would be advisable for you to adjust to what your superior says. Maybe you believe your superior is quite whimsical and is finding faults with you or is testing you to no end. You do understand that this person is insecure, perhaps because you're quite competent. I think you can also expect a marginal hike or an increase in your wages this month. With respect to your love life, we have this card, an honorable surrender. I think, Scorpions, in case you're already romancing or in case you fancy someone, I think you want this person to acknowledge his feelings for you. Maybe this person is unsure or is hiding his feelings from you. Nevertheless, I think, Scorpions, this month you can expect attention from the opposite sex. Maybe unwanted attention is also quite likely. I think you need to be careful. In fact, you also have the Ace of Wands in your reading, so perhaps there are people who just have sex on their mind. I think some of you also want to reach out to your on again, off again lover. I think you won't be disappointed. So this is the month when you should take the initiative. On the other hand, romancing, Scorpions, like I said, you want this person to commit to you. Sometimes, you want space in your relationship, you want to do your own thing. But then there are those other times when you are going to be quite romantic. You will definitely enjoy a fruitful and flirtatious exchange with your person. I think the sexual aspect of this relationship is also very evident this month. Generally speaking, Scorpions, I think you shouldn't be too analytical in your relationship. Rather, you should be more romantic or you should enjoy free-flowing conversations with your person. Those of you who are in an unhappy connection, I think you could be dealing with a suspicious partner. Maybe you're very perturbed because your spouse is someone who talks about your unhappy relationship in public. Perhaps, Scorpions, should also focus on self-respect. Incidentally, the universe is also talking about commitment here, and we did have an honorable surrender. So certainly you want commitment from your person. You don't want this person to two-time you. Or perhaps for some Scorpions, there's going to be a formal proposal this month. Even on the work front, you need to collaborate with people around you or colleagues if you want your plans to bear fruit. From Lenormand, we have this card boy, and I also clarified the boy, and we have the card heart. So certainly you need to be more playful, flirtatious. You should see the world from the eyes of a child. You should be naive and childlike in your relationships. Again, this heart card is also talking about a romantic connection, or it could be talking about you needing to be more artistic and creative at work, whether with your words or whether professionally. All in all, Scorpions, there are going to be opportunities. The pressure of work could tell on you, so you should guard against ill health. I hope, Scorpions, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.